This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Janica Polk. Lakewood Estate Alert Under 400K. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, with an open floor plan and bonus room, new windows and hurricane shutters 2020, electrical panel 2020, new duct system 2019, roof 2018, air handler 2018, outdoor air conditioner condenser 2011, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances to include shaker-style all-wood cabinets, soft close doors, and drawers. Porcelain wood planks throughout the main living area and carpet in all bedrooms. Attached is a 2-car garage with plenty of room for additional storage space. Covered outdoor patio that overlooks a massive backyard with plenty of room to add a pool and additional entertaining space. No flood insurance required. Price to sell fast. Contact your agent today for more information.